Hello, I want to teach you how you can install Python on your phone without even rooting your phone. And this Python, you can use it to do many things on the internet. You can use it to create websites, decode many other factors, and even you can use it to hack any website of your choice. So this is it. When you go, you locate Thermos. This is a modded version of Thermos. I mod it by myself so that I can do many things and copy my dump files. So here now, you type in this pkg install Python, and that is it. You fire it. You see it. It's checking the available mirrors. You see if it is already installed, but the mirrors is showing that there is no Thermos, there is no Python. So it's going to automatically install Python. Just watch so that you know what you are doing. This is it. Because I've started installing. Yeah. Say yes. Yes, you see unpacking Python 3.11.5, the latest Python in town. You see, that's all about this. Very easily. The first thing, you have to go and download Thermos. Download it from F-Droid. That is it. Then you install the basic packages. Everything is on now. Thank you.